Good morning everyone. Myself Anubhuti Saxena. I am your moral science teacher. Today I am going to teach you lesson 5 part 2. As we discussed lesson 5 in our previous class, today we will do exercises and question answers of this lesson. Let's start. So before going to start exercises, we should revise the chapter once again. It is the story of a boy whose name was Sanal, and he is having some good qualities. So we will revise them. Sanal is studying in class 4th. He usually gets up in the morning and revises his lesson before going to the school. He sometimes helps his mother in the kitchen. He always keeps his study room clean, and he never scatters his books here and there. And his mother is very happy about Sanal because Sanal was a good boy. He also helps the mother in the kitchen or the household work. He keeps his room, his study room, neat and clean. He keeps all his books properly. He never scattered the books here and there, and he always learn the question answer and exercises which he is done in the class before going to the school. Sanal always takes bath before having his breakfast. He takes bath daily, and meanwhile his mother prepares his lunch box, and he never forget to give a sweet kiss to his mother before going to the school, because he loves his mother very much, and he lives with only his mother because he lost his father 3 years ago. So Sanal and his mother was living for one another, for each other. So what happened when one day Sanal was going to the school? As he was near the school gate, he saw an old man. One day when he reached the road, all his friends had already reached the school gate. They are moving fast. He so laughed. He walked fast when he reached the beggar in front of the gate. He didn't notice him till then. Sanal went near to him. The beggar told him that he was very hungry and he wants some food to eat. Sanal thinks something, and he returned to beggar and looked into his eyes. He remembered his grandfather. He looked here and there, and after that he took his lunch box from the bag and gave that food to the old man. He ate within no time because he was very hungry and he was very happy. Sanal could not erase the smiling face of the beggar from his mind because he was very happy after eating the food. Even when he was in the classroom, he kept recalling the smiling face. Again and again he is thinking about the old man. And in the lunchtime, Sanal was not having the lunch because he had given the lunch to the old man. He was feeling very hungry. So he went out and drank some water only. After returning the house, he narrated the story to his mother. He told everything to the mother. She appreciated his kindness and compassion. And the next day, his mother made 2 lunch boxes, one for Sanal and one for old man, and gave to Sanal and said, "This lunch box, please, lunch packet, give to the old man." From that day, daily Sanal was taking 2 lunch packets with him, and he was giving 1 packet to the old man daily. Sanal's headmaster was observing this act every day. He inquired about Sanal and his family, and he got that Sanal was a very good boy. The class teacher had a very high opinion about Sanal. The headmaster decided to honor this rare gem among the students. So one day, during the assembly, he announced, "All of us have seen an old beggar sitting and begging at the gate every day, but none of us are seeing or paying attention to him. But one of our students was regularly giving him lunch packet, and he is a class 4th student. His name is Sanal, and he is a role model for all of us." Then headmaster called Sanal to the stage, come up to the podium, and he continued, "Sanal is the pride of this school. He is a blessing to our country." The teacher and the students cheered him and gave a loud applause to him as he came up to the stage. So this was the story. We are getting how many qualities Sanal was having, good qualities. Now we will start the exercise. First of all, take the let us remember. The day without doing something good to your neighbor will not be counted in the book of eternity. This line is said by Sant Chabra. The day without doing something good to your neighbor will not be counted in the book of eternity. Second, our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. If you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. This is said by Dalai Lama. Now, question answer. First question. Write down any 3 qualities of a student who is your role model. Write down any 3 qualities of a student who is your role model. So write the answer. First, he helps others. He is hardworking, and he is disciplined. If anyone is selected as the role model of the school, some qualities should be there. First is he helps other. He should help other. He is hardworking. He should be hard worker, and he is disciplined. Second, why did Sanal bring 2 lunch packets every day? Sanal brought 2 lunch packets every day. Sanal brought 2 lunch packets every day because he wanted to help the old man, by giving one of his lunch packet to him, because he wanted to help the old man by giving one of his lunch packet to him. Question number 3. Write 3 good qualities you find in Sanal. As you had learned the story, how many qualities, good qualities are in Sanal? So, write 3 good qualities you find in Sanal. First, he keeps his study room clean. First quality, he keeps his study room clean. Second, he helps his mother. He helps his mother. Third, he is very kind. Third, he is very kind. He keeps his study room clean. He helps his mother. He is very kind. Now, let us discuss what will you do in the following situation. What will you do in the following situations? First, if you find a purse on the road. If you find a purse on the road. Answer, I will inform in police station. I will inform in police station. Second, a beggar comes to your house. He is hungry and asks for food. A beggar comes to your house. He is hungry and asks for food. What will you do? Answer is, I will give food to him. I will give food to him. Third, you meet your teacher on the way. You meet your teacher on the way. Answer is, I will greet my teacher. I will greet my teacher. Fourth, after supper, your mother is busy washing plate. The dining table is not cleaned. After supper, your mother is busy washing plates. The dining table is not clean. What will you do in that situation? Answer is, I will clean the dining table. I will clean the dining table. If you are finding a purse on the road, so this is your duty to inform in the police station. If any beggar comes to your house and he is very hungry and asking for food, so what you will do? You will give food to him. If you meet with your teacher on the way, so what will you do? You will greet your teacher. You will greet your teacher. Next, after supper, your mother is busy washing plates. The dining table is not clean. Then what will you do? I will clean the dining table. I will clean the dining table. Now, let us match. There are some Body parts are given here on the A side, and the B side their action are given, so we have to match them. Hands. What is the work of hands? Hands is given to do good. Hands do good, to do good. Second, legs, to walk around doing good to others. To walk around doing good to others. Third, eyes, to see the good in others. To see the good in others. Fourth, tongue. Tongue is given to speak good. To speak good. And fifth is heart. Heart is given to love. Heart is given to love. Hands to do good. Legs to walk around doing good to others. Third, eyes to see the good in others. And fourth, tongue to speak good. And fifth, heart to love. So our chapter is completed. Now everybody will complete the chapter on the copy, and you will learn all the exercises and question answers of this lesson. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day.